So if you're in the business of arbitrage trading and you have been in this business for a while, I think by now you should have noticed that there are some of the opportunities you see that might be tempting though, but it's not worth taking, right? So in this video, I'll be showing you those type of opportunities that you need to avoid in order not to have your money hanging or delayed or even incurring losses on your end. So watch this video to the end. You'll be learning a very important lesson on arbitrage trading, and this will change the way you view arbitrage trading, right? So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share this video. If you're a returning viewer and haven't subscribed yet, please do. I mean, that's basically how we grow, right? And drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, inquiries, or whatever. Yeah, so let's dive right into this video. So you already know the app I normally use. No need to share that, right? Now I use it for free. It's not paid, though they have the paid version. Now once you come here, like you already see the percentages on the top, like PBix, P-box, sorry, Suku. Then you see P3D. You see the percentages beside it. That's 51%, 49%, 44%, and so on. Right now, some of them might be so tempting that you want to just dive in. Don't just use one. For instance, maybe Neko. Now you see Neko on Gate.io and Mex. If you have the two exchanges, like I always say, you need to have all the exchanges before you can even venture into arbitrage trading, because you don't know where the opportunity might be. Now, if you have Neko and you want to trade Neko, you want to exploit Neko for a 15% arbitrage, you understand? Now, you have it very high on Gate.io and very low on Mex. So basically, how we do it is you buy in Mex and sell in Gate.io, right? Now let's first of all go to Mex and confirm. You have to confirm if this is actually in the exchanges. So let's go and confirm. So this is Mex. We just go over to the search. We are looking for Neko, right? Neko. Just let's confirm it's here. Okay, it's here, and the price here is 0.000026, right, on Neko. Now let's head over to Get.io and confirm. So Get.io is where we were selling. So let's just confirm it is here too. So go over to the search area here and search for Neko. So first of all, just normally you just confirm. So then I'll show you what you need to actually confirm before going ahead with trade. So the network is a bit sluggish. Let's wait for it to load up. So you can see Neko is here at spot with the price being at 0.00003. Now you can see that these two prices are exploitable, right? 0.4026 and 0.4030. Now we buy in Gate.io, we buy in Mex and sell at Gate.io. That's basically how it works. But now if you want to exploit this price, there's one thing you need to actually confirm first, and that is, I'll show you here, is the volume, right? Where you're buying from is not a problem. Like to purchase is not usually a problem. So this place you sell, like we are selling in Get.io, we're buying in Mex because it's lower, right? That won't be a problem to buy. But to sell it as Mex, sorry, but to sell it at Gate.io, we have to confirm that this trade has volume. This place here, you see high, you see low, you see 24 hours volume, you see 24 hours volume of USDT. Now, the volume of USDT is just $18,000, and that is a problem because it's very, very low. This is what we have to confirm, right? The volume here is 18,000. The volume on Nico, like the coin itself, the whole volume for the 24 hours duration is 641 million. Like the one that I bought sold like in circulation. Now you can see. So the lowest here, the lowest price is 0.0029, and now is is at 0.0030 and 0.02. So the volume is the problem here. Like for instance, let me show you another way to know that the volume is low. If you go to the buy area, right, So if you put an amount here, right? Maybe I want to buy $10 worth of nickel, right? That's 300,000. Now the current price is at 0 point. See the current price 0.83, and the selling price is at 0.39. See, what you have to check is the orders beside it amount of nickel. Because you can see that before this 200,000 sells off, it will be waste time. Before 100 has 21,000, 101,000, 500,000, 700,000, 1 million. This is something that will delay your sales because the volume is low. For instance, the volume is at 1 million, right, or 2 million, like in USDT, not in the actual coin. Like it's in the volume in USDT is over 1 million or 2 million, 3 million, even 10 million. So then you will notice that this place will be very volatile. Like you will see him buy, sell. But now, over how many minutes we are here, it's still pounding. So sometimes it's good to wait, but if the volume is actually worth it, if the volume is even at least 1 million, right, then it's a good time to exploit the price, right? But in this situation where it will waste this time with a very low volume, bro, let me show you the volume again, right? Let's check the volume so we'll confirm again, right? So you can see the volume is at 18,000 and basically it's not moving. So this is one of the major things you need to really confirm before you enter the trade. Now, if I want to buy, like I told you, to purchase this is not even hard. Like if you go to Mex, right, also open it up. Even with the low volume, you are looking to buy, right? If you are looking to buy, then another thing is the chart. You can see basically the candles are left up, right? So if you're looking to buy, it can even go as low as I'm sorry, as high as 280, and your order will be purchased immediately. Like if you want to buy 100 USDT or 1000 USDT, then the current price is at 0.26. Like the current price is 0.26, then you raise it higher to 0.28, you can buy immediately. But if you want to sell on Gate.io, for instance, I mean this type of stuff that the volume is this low, is not advisable to even go ahead. So this is one of the major things you need to really check, whether the volume of the trade you are trying to enter into is what is. Like you can see here, there's no movement here. In a very volatile market, the buyers are buying, the sellers are selling. The volume is increasing. Basically $18,000, dollars, and that's very poor. So you look at those volumes first, you look at the 24 hours volumes on both the USDT and the coin itself, and know whether it is volatile and it is worth it. So that's basically one of the major problems. You just imagine going to a market and there's nobody buying or selling. I mean, everybody just folding their hands and looking at each other. The buyers are looking at the sellers are looking at the customers. I mean, there's no money passing through. So that's basically the type of scenario this is. If there's no money passing through this market, you're not making money, and that's a very bad way to arbitrage, right? So if this video was helpful, please drop a comment in the comment section and tell me if you have noticed this before and what you've experienced while doing arbitration. Let's interact in the comment section, right? So if you haven't subscribed, please do, and share this video to those that might be interested in this type of content, right? I mean, that's basically how we go and help each other out. So let's go.